all. This is Ramesh Arozla from AR Academy GDK. Today, 10th class Maths from 11th chapter Trigonometry. We are going to discuss trigonometrical ratios of some specific angles. That is 0 degrees and 90 degrees. In earlier classes, earlier videos, we discussed 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees trigonometrical ratio values we discussed. Children, today we are going to discuss 0 degrees and 90 degrees trigonometrical ratios values. Please concentrate and look at the board and write whatever you like. Okay, concentrate and look at the board. Trigonometrical ratios of some specific angle 0 degrees and 90 degrees. In that, first we will discuss 0 degrees. Okay, children, 0 degrees. Here you observe these diagrams, 3 diagrams you observe. In this is the ray, AB ray. This is AC line segment. Its AC line segment length is R. Assume R. Okay. It is having certain angle. This AC is making certain angle with ray AB. And in this you see, in the same AC, this is AB ray, and this AC segment with R length, it is moving in this direction, clockwise direction. So if first it is having height H1, if it is moving towards AB ray, then what happens, children? Height decrease. You see, this side and this side you compare. CB and CB1 you compare. CB1 is less than CB. Next you observe this one. Here this you may assume CB or CB1. CB or CB1 you assume. Here you see again CB2. Here again it is reduced. So height gradually, when this AC is falling towards AB in clockwise direction and falling on this, then what happening? This height is decreasing. Height will decrease and decreasing. When it reaches AC, touches this AB ray, then what happens, children? Assume AB is the ray, AC is the line segment, R length. Okay, and angle BAC, you see, BAC or CAB, theta. When AC falling towards AB, and its height is gradually decreasing, and C height, what happens? Decreases. And while decreasing, you observe, first it is at B, then it is at B1, then it is at B2, like this, H1, H2, H3, like this it is decreasing gradually. At B1, at B it is H, it is H1, it is H2, like this it is decreasing. Understand, children? At B2 it is H3. This is H2. Like this, gradually decreasing. Finally, what is happening when it falls exactly on AB ray? This angle A, it will become 0. Angle A will become 0. I am writing theta is equal to 0 here. This angle A is becoming 0. And then H, height is what happening? Height also becoming 0. Height means BC. Height means BC is becoming 0. I am writing height means BC also becoming 0. When AC falls just exactly over this AB ray, automatically height will become 0. That is BC will become 0. Okay, understand, children? This is second point. Next, third point, you see AC equal to AB equal to R. AC, where is AC? See AC and AB. AC and AB, they are coming closer to each other, and AC is becoming AR. Understand, children? By using this information, we will write trigonometrical ratio values. First, what we will write? Theta, how much became? 0. We are discussing about 0 degrees. Sin 0 equal. Sin 0 formula what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means BC by AC. BC how much is there? Here 0. AC how much? R. 0 by something, you see, 0 by something, 0. So sin 0 value 0. Sin 0 value 0 means it is 0 by r. 0 by r, no? Here cosec sin is sin reciprocal is cosec. So this is r by 0. R by 0 means you see 1 by 0 undefined. This is undefined. Undefined. It is not having any value. It is undefined. So it is not determined, undefined. Its sin 0 value is 0. Next, cos 0. Cos 0, what is the formula? Base by hypotenuse. Base. Base how much? Base AB. AB by hypotenuse AC. AB how much here? AB you see, AB equal to AC equal to R. R by AC. AC equal to R. R by R. R by R means 1 by 1. That is 1. So, reciprocal of this is sec theta. Cos theta reciprocal is sec theta. So, cos 0, sec theta you can write reciprocal. 1 by 1 you can write again 1 by 1. That is 1. Cos 0 value 1 only. Sec 0 value also 1. Remember children. And next, tan 0. Tan 0 according to the tan theta definition, it is the ratio between sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta value how much? What we got here? Sin theta value 0. Cos theta value how much? Where it is? Cos theta 1. 0 by 1. You see, 0 by 1 means 0. Means tan 0 value is 0. Tan 0 value is 0. And that this reciprocal of this is cot theta. So 1 by 0 this is. 1 by 0 means what you see again? Undefined, not determined. Not determined. Not determined. It is not determined or undefined. You can write in both ways. You can write any way. Okay. Finally, what we got? Sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, tan 0, 0, cosec 0 undefined, sec 0, 1, cot 0 not determined or undefined. Okay, children. We completed 0 degrees. 0 degrees trigonometrical ratios. This is specific angle 0 degrees. We completed. We will discuss now 90 degrees. Okay, concentrate more. Okay, you observe this one, this figure and this figure you observe, diagrams you observe. Here, this is AB is the ray. Okay, AB is the ray. AB, it is ray. So, this is AC is the segment, line segment. Say its value is AC, you assume R. Okay, and now, what is happening you see, here this AC R, it is gradually, what is happening, it is moving in this direction you see. This ray is certain degrees angle it is making with this ray AB, this AC is making theta angle with this AB ray, and it is moving in this direction you see, 1 by 1 again, it is moving, this direction, what is this direction? Anti-clockwise direction it is moving, see AC, 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 while it is moving in this direction, what is happening you see, observe, height it is increasing. Finally, when it reaches here, see exactly it is 90 degrees you see, exactly 90 degrees. Then what happens, this height will gradually increase, means CB, CX, CY like this is increasing, and finally, and what is happening, this theta is becoming 90 degrees. Theta is becoming 90 degrees. We need 90 degrees only. Theta is becoming 90 degrees, as well as BC, this BC, what BC is there, it is exactly coincide with the AC. BC is becoming AC and it is equal to R, remember children. So, here theta is becoming 90 degrees and BC, AC are equalizing with the R. Okay, and finally, AB equal to 0. Where is AB? This AB, point you observe. This point is moving, first it moved to X, then it moved to Y, then it will move, then it will move. Finally, when it reaches 90 degrees, this will move here. Means this total AB is becoming 0. AB is becoming 0, remember, means base is becoming 0. Base is becoming 0. Now, we will write the trigonometrical ratios values of this 90 degrees. Here it is 90 degrees. So, sin 90 means sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. This BC by AC. BC by AC. But BC you observe here, BC is equal to R. AC you observe, AC equal to also R. See, BC equal to R, AC equal to R. 1 by 1 means 1. Sin 90, 1 means its reciprocal is cosec 90. Okay, children? Cosec 90. So, 1 by 1, here also you write 1 by 1. That is 1 only. Cosec 90 also 1. Now, cos 90. Cos 90 means, if it is 90, cos 90 means AB by AC. AB by AC. AB by AC. AB equal to what? AB is 0. AC equal to what? R. 0 by something, you see. 0 by something, 0. And reciprocal to it, R by 0. R by 0 means something by 0, 1 by 0, undefined. Undefined. Okay, children? Then we will think about tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 means tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin 90 by cos 90. So sin 90 how much we got here? 1. Cos 90 how much we got here? 0. 1 by 0 you see? 1 by 0 undefined. This is also undefined. This is also undefined. This is undefined. Okay, children? Tan 90 undefined, 1 by 0 undefined or not determined. Remember, reciprocal to this is 0 by 1. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So 0 by 1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means what you see? 0 by 1 means 0. So finally what we got, children? About 90 degree trigonometrical ratios values you see. Sin 90 1, cos 90 0, tan 90. Tan 90 how much? Undetermined. And cosec 90 1, sec 90 undetermined, cot 90 0. Okay, got it? So these you children, these 0 degrees values we studied, understood, and 90 degrees trigonometrical ratios and values we understood. Remember and write properly in the exam, children. If you don't understand, please watch my video again and again. Tell your friends to subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Okay? Bye.